Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hello Kitty wearing a backpack. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start at the top and let's draw the bow. Let's draw a circle on the top right. Then on top, let's bring it up, down on the left, and back in underneath. And let's do another one on the right side. Now inside, let's draw a curve on each side. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. On the left, let's draw a curve across for the top of the head here. Then let's curve it up and over. And another curve down for the ear. And now for the other ear, we're going to draw a curve on top of the bow and bring it down. Now let's hop underneath and let's continue the head by drawing a curve down on the right and bringing it in. And the same thing on the left side. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop inside and draw the face. Let's start with a small sideways oval inside. Now let's hop out and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And then let's color both of these in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve out for the whiskers. And then a shorter one underneath. And then one more longer one at the bottom on both sides. And that's it for Hello Kitty's head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath in the center. We're going to leave a gap and let's draw a curve up and bring it down for the top of the arm. And then a curve across underneath. Now underneath on the left, let's draw a small line down and a bump for the thumb. Now to close off the hand, let's bring it down and curve it up on the right side. Now on the right, we're going to draw the backpack. Let's start next to the arm and let's draw a curve up to the head. Then let's hop over to the right and let's curve it down. Now let's hop back over underneath the hand and let's bring it down and curve it out. And then bring it over to close off the bottom of the backpack. Now let's hop in and from the top left, let's draw a curve down. And add a circle underneath. Now let's hop over and let's draw another circle along the side here. And an angle across in between. Now underneath each of the circles, let's draw a curve down and back up. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the strap to the backpack. Let's start on top of the backpack and let's draw a small curve up to the head. And then curve it down on the left. And then a curve back in at the bottom. And that's it for the backpack. Now let's continue drawing the body. On the left side, let's draw a curve down. And then curve it over on the right side. Now on the left, let's draw the other arm. We'll start with a curve out. And then underneath, let's draw a bump up and bring it down. Now let's continue it by curving it out and back up. Next, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw the feet. Let's draw a curve down on the left. Then let's hop over underneath the backpack here and let's draw an angle down. And close it off with the curve across. Now for the other foot, let's curve it over to the right side and then bring it up. And that's it for Hello Kitty wearing a backpack. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!